Hey guys, what's going on? Did you know that research shows there are 6 common mistakes that people make when mortgage shopping for their investment condo? In this video, I'm going to break down the 6 secrets to finding the best mortgage rate and reputable mortgage broker. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a 7th bonus tip, so stay tuned to the end. My name is John Kinnunen, and I'm with the Gulf Coast is my home.com, brokered by eXp Realty. We've been selling real estate in the Clearwater Beach and surrounding areas for over 10 years now. If at any time during this video you have any questions about the real estate market in the Clearwater Beach or surrounding area, feel free to put them in the comments below. I will circle back around and I'll answer them, or feel free to reach out to me, text or give me a call at 734-972-7388, or use this website to contact us today. Let's get to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a pre-approval letter, not a pre-qualification letter. A lot of times people think a pre-qualification letter and pre-approval letter is the same thing. A pre-qualification letter is basically you can go to any mortgage broker online, put in your information, and it will spit you out a pre-qualification letter. That doesn't mean they've looked at anything. That doesn't mean they've looked at your financials or anything like that. It's just a letter that you basically can get off the internet. So make sure that you get your pre-approval letter first, because when we go to put in that offer, you're going to want to have that. You don't want to lose out on a property based on the fact that they haven't looked at your financials and things like that. And I'm going to ask you that right up front is, how are we going to pay for this? Is it going to be if you're getting a mortgage? A lot of people are cash buyers. If you're paying cash, then all we're going to need is your proof of funds. But if you're going the mortgage route, I'm going to make sure that you have a pre-approval letter. The second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, once you get your pre-approval letter and you've talked to your mortgage broker, you want to make sure that these monthly payments are something that you guys can afford. You may already have one mortgage on a property, so you want to make sure that the second mortgage that you're getting on your investment property, that you guys can afford this. A lot of times some banks will say, well, you're approved up to 1.2 million and this is going to be how much your monthly payment is going to be, and they think that's okay. But maybe you want to be able to put more money away every month. You want to save some more extra money for retirement or kids' college or whatever the situation may be. So maybe you don't want to have such a high monthly payment. So that's something to consider when you're shopping around, trying to get a mortgage for an investment property. The third thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to think long term about this. You're going to want to think, do you want to do the 30-year plan, the normal plan, or you're going to want to do the 15-year plan? You're going to want to look at the different interest rates in both scenarios, and you're going to want to look at how much money you need to put down. Oh yeah, and before I forget, put in the comments below if you want me to get you in touch with my trusted mortgage advisor that I've been working with for over 10 years now. Very good, knows the market, knows the area, and he's very nice to work with. I've never had a problem with him. So if you want to get in contact with him, put it in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more information about the real estate market in the Clearwater Beach and surrounding area. Now, this brings me to my 4th point. You're going to want to understand your payment. And once you've gotten your pre-approval letter, you've talked to them, you see the breakdown of what your payment's going to look like, you're going to want to understand it. Make sure that you know what the taxes are. Make sure you know if there's any kind of insurance on your loan. Make sure you understand it. A lot of people don't understand all these numbers that are being thrown at them. So make sure you get in contact with your mortgage advisor and they break down each line item for you so that you are comfortable with your payment. Which brings me to my 5th point. Make sure that you have enough money set aside for your down payment. Before this whole pandemic thing happened, usually you could get away with about putting 20% down. Now for an investment property, I've seen them go all the way up to 30% down. They've wanted 25 to 30% down. So make sure when you're talking to your mortgage advisor that they tell you how much of a down payment you're going to need. Plus, you need to understand you're going to have closing costs with this loan too. So that's going to be part of your payment that you want to make sure that you discuss with your mortgage advisor. Which brings me to my 6th point. Make sure that you're working with a mortgage specialist and not just a bank employee. I have people come to me all the time and just say, they say that they're just talking to the person at the bank window or something like that. Make sure you're talking to an actual mortgage specialist. You're gonna get your best rates that way. You're gonna get your best service. Make sure it's somebody that just deals with mortgages. Maybe it is somebody at your bank, but make sure that you're dealing with somebody that deals with just mortgages. And this is a bonus tip right here. In the state of Florida, usually real estate agents and sellers like to work with other people that are from the area, know the market here, because when we start using banks that are from out of state, a lot of times, not a lot of times, but sometimes more often than when they use somebody in state, the deal ends up falling apart. They're not on top of things. They miss deadlines. They just don't understand how things are done down here. So that is, that's like a bonus item right there. I hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me get this information out to other people. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, or feel free to reach out to me at 734-972-7388. Send me a quick text or shoot me a call, whatever works best for you. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to get more information about the real estate market in the Clearwater Beach and surrounding area. If this is the first property that you're thinking about investing in, congratulations. It's going to be a lot of fun. I do have other videos on tips and tricks on purchasing your investment property in the description below. So be sure to check those out, because there is more buying and selling tips and tricks in those videos. Until next time, guys, have an awesome day. Until next time, guys, talk to you guys later. Bye.